Now I'm on the move. Your family's quiet, now you on the news. They can't find